In every moment, my love will be tempted. We're sealed in forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your road. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be eternal to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns, an eternal show. In every moment, my love I'll be tempted, we're sealed in forever.